Okay, today we're going to learn about how to use Fuel Education's online learning program, and how to navigate it to look at grades, content, all that sort of stuff. So first you want to log in, then you'll go to Brightspace. On this screen here, you have all your different classes. They show how many students are in them, and allow you to pick and choose and go into grade the appropriate one. We're going to look at this one here, probability statistics. Just click the class and it'll take you right to it. See here you have class home, plan, content, progress, grades, reports, library, tools, which is what you'll use to edit stuff, assignments, all those sorts of things. Service station is a great resource. If there's any technical difficulty, you can sign on there yourself, or the student can sign on their account and receive aid from Fuel Education. Help has answers to a lot of common things, and then these are just a couple other areas to look at there. So your landing page comes here. If you need to create an announcement, you just click this. You can say due date and say assignment. Three is due on October 25th. Publish. And we go back to class home. Due date's right there. As you can see here, got some basic stuff. It's got these little links and things of different things you may need. These are class contents. That's what the student's going to see. That's kind of a quick access right there. They can bookmark recently visited for our purposes. We're going to look at the content page. So here, you can see student resources, mentor resources, and you can edit any of this. Unit 1, as you go down forward, has different things. You can see quizzes there. Has all these different links. That's where you can click to go turn in stuff as well. And so they'll be accessing this a lot, but you can also do it too to see where they're at and what they are learning. You have progress, which will show where they've gone, and then grades. You can see here all the different assignments that they actually have stuff to turn in. Type there, so if it was an essay or something, it would say that. Max amount of points. So all that's listed there. So that's a pretty important one. You can go look at reports here as well. We get emails about these sorts of things. If students falling behind, has low grades, that sort of thing. You can see what items are doing well. Maybe if they've did lesson 1 well, but lesson 2 they aren't doing as hot. That'll show you that there. Quiz items. So there's a lot of information there for you as well. Tools are important for this, especially for what we're talking about. So you can go to assignments here, and if you can click on them individually, or you can click on this, bulk edit. You can change a bunch of stuff. You set due dates, all that on there. You can modify times, change the name, all that kind of stuff as well. Other tools, you can go to your discussion forums. See that this is raise your hand is general feedback, general discussion. Like we have for our class, if they have any questions about what they're doing, or if they need to get your attention, that's kind of where that goes. This one has 3.5 discussion, food advertisements. So you can look at that and it kind of breaks down, then go post. You can, no one's posted this one yet, but you can see the threads and post. Go and click and review. They see the same screen. They can click on the rubric, which will download, and they can open it, and it'll tell them how many posts you make, all that kind of stuff, and what they're being scored for. So that's a good tool there. Class list, class connect, managed quizzes, a pretty important one. If you want to add, change, modify at all that goes down through here. So there's a bunch of them. Again, depending on what you want to do, you can click on individual, which will let you change name, you can move a unit, you can modify questions per page, prevent moving backwards, so if once they answer a question, they can't go back. You can shuffle questions, which I do sometimes if I have a lot of students in the lab taking a similar class. That way they don't show up in order. You can go down here, add different stuff. Allow hints, disable that. You can send notification emails to be set up once they're done. You got restrictions here. Go through. If you need to allow, say someone didn't do so great and you want to allow them, you can add special access, let them take it one more time if you don't want to open up to everybody. So that's the same thing. The rest of this, you can change all that. So last thing we'll look at real quick is server station, because this will be the key to solving any issues that you may have. So you got some things there. Student contact support would be your main thing. It'll actually bring up a chat room and connect you to a live user that is pretty good about solving problems, and if they can't, they get it to support right away. And then last thing, one of the key things we use is pacing guides. So for this, we're in stat class right now, so you scroll down, go to math, it'll pop up a new page here, and as you go through, you can see all the different guides. So let's scroll down, yeah, let it load. And there's a lot of stuff, middle school, but we're looking specifically at high school, so you have all these different ones. So that's really useful for our class. Let's see. You have a lot of different options. So there's probability and statistics. Click on the file. Open it up. You can see here it says what dates it should be. This is oral one, but you kind of get the idea. And you actually go on this part, this page here, add your start date, Monday before start date. You plug in any days we missed, which has been real helpful with the hurricane delays we've had. I've had to go back and edit most of the classes and add everybody back in and adjust their schedule accordingly so they know where they're supposed to be. Put your end date there. Once you plug in all that information, it'll update it here. So that's just a quick kind of guide to how to navigate Brightspace when you're teaching in class online. Thank you.